Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. In this video, we'll look into how to do a simple Python installation on Windows and show you how to use virtual environment using vscode. So stay tuned until the end of this video to get all the steps right. Now let's get into the tutorial. So the first step that you need to do is go to Google and type Python in Windows and click on download Python. And here you can see download the latest version of Windows. So I can click on this, it will download with 3.12.4. Now you can see the Python is available here. I'll double click on it and select this add python.exe to path and use admin privileges when installing py.exe. And I'll choose custom installation and make sure everything is checked and click on next. And also make sure it is installed for all users, and you can find the installation location here and click on install. Now we can see the setup was successful and it is asking to disable path length limit so that the Python can be allowed. So I'll do that and click on close. Now I can simply open any command prompt and check Python, and the Python is working. And I can also use Python -- version to check the version of it. Next, what I'll do is open Visual Studio Code, and here I'll click on new file. So here I can give as test.py. In the documents I'll try to create, and the test.py is ready. Now I'll type print hello world, and if you run, it is asking find Python extension. So now you can click on that and it will ask to install the Python extension. So you can click on install. Now you can see the Python extension is installed. Now we can go back and click on run without debugging again, and we can see the Python debugger. So click on that Python debugger and you can see hello world. Now if you try to install some libraries like Paho-MQTT, now once you have installed Paho-MQTT, it has installed in the common space where everybody can access. But sometimes in your project, you don't have to be using the central or general space. You need to use a virtual environment. So for that, what you need to do is, the first thing that you can do is create a workspace. So which means add folder to X workspace and go to your any documents and create new folder and mention as vscode workspace and add this. Now you are under a workspace. Here create a new file and type test.py, and it will be saving in this workspace create file. And now print hello. You can click on run without debugging and it will be asking which debugger. Now you can see hello has been printed. Now if you want to install some libraries like pip install Paho-MQTT, this is already installed and it is there in app data roaming, so which is a common folder. But in some of the projects we need it to be in our virtual environment and it should not be mixing with these versions. It should be isolated. To make that work, we need to create a virtual environment. So how can we create? So you can click on this version and here you can see create virtual environment and it is asking venv. So click on that and which interpreter path. So click on this. So it is trying to create a virtual environment and also upgrading the pip. Now the environment is ready. Once you kill this, you have to again run without debugging. Now if you try to install the Paho, it will install inside your virtual environment. So how you can see that is inside this venv, you can see Paho-MQTT installed. Now if you want to remove that, it would be pip uninstall. Now you can see from venv it is trying to remove. So I need to provide yes. So it has removed from here. So this is how you can work with virtual environment. You can also cross check whether you are using virtual environment or not, like this. If you want to use main environment, you can switch back here. And now I have switched back. I need to kill this and again run without debugging. Let me check the pip uninstall works with Paho. Now you can see the main folders not in the virtual environment. So click on yes. Now this is how we can switch between virtual environments as well as the main environment of Python. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video has simplified your Python installation and how to use virtual environment using VS Code. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another interesting video.